The broader market is recovering from the losses of today's session, that is today, the 13th of January 2024. However, PHIO stock is up a whopping 437%. It should be the most active stock in this session. It's on the news that it had a positive trial data for its cancer treatment. We can see now it where did it spike from? It spiked from the lows of around let's get it from the lows of around $1.68. Momentum extrapolation on this daily chart is for higher prices up to let's see, up to when is that? Up to Tuesday the 28th of January. There's no guarantee that that will happen, given that we are looking at a gain of around 400%, 436%. There's a good chance that come the next trading session or the one after that the stock is going to pull back. So for those that can short the stock, this will be they will be delighted. Short sellers will be delighted. We haven't seen any upper projections here, any further upper projections, and you really shouldn't expect to see more. But there could still be further upper projections. There were projections before now, and they have been negated. They have been met now. They were negated earlier on, but with this huge spike, they have all been met. They have all been met. Okay, we are on the 4-hour chart. We haven't seen anything. Let's have a look at its 2-hour chart and see. Okay, you can see what I see here. The extrapolation for its on this hourly chart is for weakness to come in, but obviously being an hourly chart, you would expect it to indicate it wouldn't be out of place to see a weakness in momentum in the coming session, in the coming hours. But not that it's going to be of any use to you when you watch this. Is there any point looking for upper projections? We just have to leave it and move on to SLRX. Let's see what we have for SLRX. Okay, so it's a major agreement that is behind this spike. Solaris and Decoy Therapeutics, they've announced a definitive merger agreement. I'm personally not exactly that fascinated about merger agreements, and I think I'm going to leave this. And we're looking at a loss of 8.9%. Maybe it was actually up earlier on, I think. But we just move on to KAPA. Okay, KAPA Pharmaceuticals. Okay, let's look at the daily chart and see. Yeah, on the daily charts. Okay, so on the daily chart we have a gain of 151.55%. Okay, so I think we have to, if you don't mind, I'm going to go back to SLRX. Okay, we have a gain of 151.76%. That's what we have here, and it's a merger agreement, and strength is expected to remain intact till Tuesday the 28th of January. Okay, there are no upper projections there. Let me go back to the 4-hour chart and see what we can see for SLRX. Okay, no upper projections there as well. Okay, so I just have to go on and move on to KAPA. Okay, KAPA, Kairos. Okay, Kairos Pharma Limited. This is its 4-hour chart. Huge spike, broke through this upper projection here of what's the upper projection here? Upper projection of around $1.92, currently trading at 2.75 or thereabouts. So let's get down to its daily chart and see what we have there. On the daily chart, what do we have? Huge spike. We haven't found any news, and we can't see any upper projections here for the stock. We can't see any upper projections, but surely there's a good chance it's going to retrace. There's a good chance it's going to retrace. Okay, let's move on to ATPC. ATPC. ATPC up 60.32%. We haven't seen any news as well. Let's see what we have. This is its daily chart. No upper projections there. Let's look at the 4-hour chart and see. Okay, so weakness is expected to set in a couple of hours from now. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Okay, not able to get. Okay, yeah. So by Wednesday the 15th, it's expected to see some weakness in its momentum. Yeah. Okay. Let's see whether we can see something else. Anything we can digest. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. Nothing there as well. Weakness is still expected. No upper projections that we can see. Okay, we're just going to move on to VRME. VRME. It has been quite an active stock for some time now. This is it's a 2-hour chart. Let's see what we can see. I don't think there's any news as such. No news. This is as far back as thought of January. Weakness. Okay, it's extrapolation on its on the 2-hour charts for its 10 and 21 period moving average is that strength will remain intact for some time to come. Okay, but the momentum is not extrapolating weakness on this 2-hour chart, but let's quickly move on to the 4-hour chart and see what we have here on the 4-hour chart for VRME. Okay, so extrapolation for high prices as well. Let's see, no upper projections there. Okay, before now there was an upper projection that has that is currently not in play. We have it as let's see, around $4.81 or thereabout, 4.79 or thereabout. Not in play at the moment. The stock is currently trading at $4 or thereabout, 4.01, 4.05, 4.14 thereabout. Yeah, 4.14. Okay, let's move on to its daily chart and see. Okay, this is the daily chart. Strength is expected to remain intact at least up to Tuesday the 21st. The stock has just continued to show strength, and I think its 200-day moving average is now sloping slightly upwards. All the other short and intermediate moving averages have all sloped up now. Extrapolation for the 10 and 21-day moving averages is for higher prices as well. We can't see any upper projections here. There's a good chance you have to be careful as well. I think it has also, because it has been active for some time now, it has been also, it seems it keeps getting support from its 10-day moving average, so it has been acting as a primary demand line to some extent. But strength is expected to remain intact. Did I not say that again? It's on this based on for its momentum up till Friday the 17th. So by this weekend, yeah. VRME, Verify Me Inc. Yeah, but in any case, see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.